See, first of all, bamboo being sustainable, right? So, it's one of the next big things in terms of replacing wood, metal, or even plastic. So, and sustainability being the next parameter in any kind of design that we would go ahead and do, whether it's construction, whether it is a product, or even like for personal care, right? So that's one of the main reasons. Sustainability is one of the main reasons to go ahead and use bamboo and make products with them. So one of the key things that we are doing, I run a venture called Bamboopecker, right? So one of the key things that we're doing is we've stopped displacing people from their homes. So we're doing design and development, remotely, in the sense that we come up with designs and then we travel there. One of our people will travel, or I travel, or whoever it is. We travel to the place where the local artisans are there. We provide a little bit machinery if they need anything, financial support, and also at the same time give them new designs to work on, so that we are not redundant in the market. We are bringing in new designs into the market, and we train them, we develop them with new skills, and that way we make sure that they have round the year income, and we connect rural artisans to the market here in the urban sector. For example, lighting, kitchenware, tableware. So these are the kind of things we're doing.
Okay.
So in terms of the kind of things or specific things we need to keep in mind when we're working with bamboo is we need to know what kind of material, what kind of bamboo species we're working with. That is one thing. And also we need to be very cognizant about what tools are available to work with bamboo. And also the skills of the local artisans. And how we could mold that very in minor ways to get a nice finish to the product. So these are the
major
few things that we need to keep in mind when we design products with bamboo and other natural materials.
Okay.
Obviously, when I'm working with first year students, there's always this bit of apprehension as to how the material is accepted, not just me, right? Like how the whole workshop, the material is accepted in terms of spending 2 days on it. But I was really impressed with how the students initially, obviously they started with like, oh yeah, whatever types, and then you can see it in the background. They are really honored, and I love the fact that they're putting in so much effort. They want to see their designs come to some sort of an ending that they're happy with. So that gives me immense pleasure. So and it's really nice to see them go really hard at it. And what I've learned from them, in fact, is that don't underestimate, first year students. They've come up with some brilliant designs, which I didn't think of being in this field for 4-5 years now. So they have this, uncorrupted bent towards design, which is so fresh and really nice to see.
Thank you, sir.